What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So let me show you this. Let me just put my camera down and then show you. Okay, so here it is, as you can see. This is for the RP patient. You are having the RP problem, then this is for you. Even you can use for the eye protection. Okay, here we go. Can you see me or not? Okay, this is I bought it from Amazon. You know to judge how good it is and you put on my glasses. Okay, I think, can you extend or not? Okay, even you can extend, which is a good thing. Okay, then you put on my glasses. Can you see me or not? Can you see me or not? Let me just get out a little bit and show you outside. So it's become okay. It's raining outside. I'm sorry, I don't want to damage my camera. Let me. So yeah. So this is how I look. You need to be the judge how good it is. Subscribe and bye.